The other day I did a video where I had a broken wire on my Automower perimeter wire, and I got a few comments that said, hey, all I can see is your knees and your hands. I can't see the actual repair. So I'm going to attempt to set up a test on this because I currently don't have a broken wire, but just to show you how those come. I'm going to be using this KOLSOL F02 Pro. It's an underground wire locator. And for anybody that's looking at like their dog underground wire for their fence, this will work for that as well. It'll find the break. Anyway, I'm going to take a length of wire and I'm going to lay it out here in the yard and hook it up and kind of show you and mimic a break and a repair. All right, for this illustration, we're going to assume this is your boundary wire. And these ends are connected into the back of your Automower base charging station. So that's where I'm at. So I mentioned I was going to get that KOLSOL underground kit. I'll show you what's in there. Nice little bag. Comes with 2 components. All right, and besides that, after you find the repair break, you're going to need a repair kit. I keep several on hand. These are inexpensive on Amazon, but you can get the direct replacements. This is the little grease-filled connection, so it's waterproof. It's only connection on one side. That's what I'll be using. So let's get this thing set up. You got a receiver and a transmitter. The transmitter you're going to be hooking to the end of the wire here. So you pull off one lead off of your Automower charging station. Watch my other video. I think that part come out good. And this negative lead, you just stab a screwdriver in the ground and stick the end to it. That way you got a full circuit. All right, now you're going to turn on. You see it's got a cable scan, battery test. So anyway, I'm going to do cable scan. And then on the receiving end, you got this little beacon. You can put a headphone on it if you want because it makes a lot of noise. But anyway, it's got an on-off button. So anyway, and a volume. So anyway, it is obviously picking that signal up. If I move away from it, you see the signal goes less and less. So anyway, in this example, if I follow this cable around, you can see it's got a full signal, full signal, full signal, full signal, full signal, full signal, full signal all the way back to the end. So now let's get creative. We're going to mimic a break. So this thing is about to break right here. So I'm going to cut it. So now we're going to follow the cable again. It'll go like 4 inches in depth. That's the end of the cable. So here's the rest of your cable going back to your Automower. You notice I got no sound. So I keep just waving it around, waving it around. Of course, like I said, it's buried until I find the beginning. There it is. So I know somewhere between here and here I got a break, right? So from there is where I would start looking. Okay? All right. We'll set this to the side. Now we're going to grab our repair kit. And I'm actually going to pull you closer so that people can see this. Making sure I can see it in frame here. All right, and sometimes you'll have to add a piece of wire because these are, you know, pretty tight. But for this illustration, I'm just going to put these two back together. All right. You'll need some kind of slotted pliers. I prefer channel locks because they have the right angle. You want to press this thing down evenly because it actually mashes those metal pieces in through the wire. You do not strip the wire. So take one end of your broken piece, stick it in. There's 3 holes. You only have to use 2. They'll all fill with grease. You take the other end, stick it in there. Any hole, doesn't matter. And then you look. See the back of this? You can see they're bottoming out. So once you know they're bottomed out, hold on to that thing. You can still see it when you got it turned this way. Grab your pliers. I usually use mine 1 level down, so move 1 notch. Verify your wire stayed in to the bottom. You can see them. And then just take this thing and mash it. So once it's flat, that is a serious connection. And of course, when you get done, you take you a garden spade or something and dig your little trench here and just cover it back up. So let's take our tester again. All right. Here we are. Here's where it was broke. All right. Now we're golden. We're golden all the way back. I hope that's been beneficial. If you have a Automower, Husqvarna Automower, the base will show green when you have this done. But if you follow this around with this beacon and you know that the connections are 100% all the way back to your machine, then check the connections at your machine. Okay? Hope that helps. Until the next video, please like and subscribe, and y'all take care.